Are you struggling to bring in more customers? In this video, I'm going to share with you how Mokha Coffeehouse market themselves using in-house desserts, a simple chai tea, and a communal vibe. How's it going? I'm filming in a different location in the living room right now. I also showing up a little bit more of my fashionable side of things, just a little bit more of a better profile, right? Yes. And continuing on about talking about Mokha Coffeehouse and how they brought in more customers every day. First of all, talk about the chai tea. The chai tea, I really like their chai tea because it's so simple, right? It's very focused on the cardamom flavor, and I like how it's so hot and you drink it, and it's a very soothing drink for me, a very comforting drink. What I don't like is one time I went to Tiffin Indian Kitchen, and I think the Indian chai tea is supposed to be really strong. Over there at Tiffin, I think it's authentic where they add in a whole bunch of different flavors. But if you made it chai tea at home, then it would be like maybe one or two, like maybe cinnamon and ginger or whatever, sugar, whatever, right? But with Tiffin, they added so much cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, that all these strong flavors, they're competing against one another, and it's too overpowering for my palate, right? And I'm used to drinking simple chai tea, which I love, and again, yeah, that's the thing. So like, go to Mokha Coffee House. They have simple chai tea. Second thing I'm gonna talk about is the coffee. I think I tried the mochaccino, and it had a very balanced flavor. It's not like, according to my brother, he really likes the coffee at Mokha Coffee House, and he compared it to blends. Blends is more expensive. For like a small, you get it for $8, but at Mocha you get for $6.50 for an all you can all one size fits all type of drink, right? And then also at blends, it's really the strong bitter taste of coffee is really overpowering. But at Mocha Coffee House, the coffee is really balanced, right? If you ordered the hot one, it's like you get maybe some coffee flavor in it. But what I like best of all was the cold brew, because when it's cold, you don't get that bitter taste. Not like a hot one, because the hot temperature will activate the bitter taste of the coffee. That's what I'm thinking. Moving on. The last thing I want to talk about is the in-house desserts. Now, you might be thinking that in-house desserts will bring in more customers. You're not entirely wrong. The in-house dessert, because of it's word of mouth marketing. Having a simple phrase in your brain, in your memory, like something simple to tell the other person, oh, let's go here. You should go here because of the in-house desserts. Well, that's the reason why I went, because my brother told me in-house desserts. I have to go. I have to go and try that. So initially, it will bring in customers. A simple phrase like that will bring in customer. But this is what I want to tell you, all the restaurant owners and the marketing experts, that to bring in repeat customers, you need to create that positive experience for the customer, for them to bring them back. Now, that's pretty hard to do if you're trying to do customer service, hit excellent customer service, good food, good drink, good decor. That's a lot of different factors to focus on to bring in customers. But I'm telling you, that's what you need to do. But you cannot make every customer happy, right? Because just go after those key areas: decor, interior decorating, customer service, and the product that you're offering. Focus on those three things, and then it'll create a positive experience for people to come back, right? But you're not going to be able to make everyone happy, right? For me, I I don't like the light cheesecakes, the even like I tried the umali and I didn't like it. Honestly, sorry, Mokha. I did not like umali. It tasted like bread pudding, and I'm not a big fan of bread pudding, right? Right? So I apologize for that, but I'm just being upfront and honest with you, okay? The What I do like is their in-house made baklava, which is like and then you offered the customer, oh, do you want ice cream with that? Because what they do is like if you get the ice cream, and you have to pay $1 extra for that. They put the 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream in between the 2 layers of puff pastry, and I liked it. I liked it, the fact that the ice cream, it made it, how you say, it balanced out the sweetness of the baklava. But also, if you eat the baklava by itself, it wasn't that sweet. It wasn't that um, it wasn't. It was kind of balanced between the sweetness of the honey and also the nutty texture of the pistachio, right? So yeah, that's what I liked about. And the thing is, for me, coming back as a repeat customer, I like the decor and the communal vibe, and also the baklava, right? And also I like the cold brew coffee and the Adani chai tea, right? Yes. Did you notice something? I was reflecting and thinking about my experience there, and I wondered. It makes me wonder, when you hear the background noise while I'm talking. You hear the background noise. I noticed something. There is no background music. If you recall, when you go to Starbucks, there's always background music. But in Mokha Coffeehouse, there's no background music. If you listen carefully to all the video clips that I recorded in there, all you hear, background noise, is people talking. That's kind of telling, isn't it? Maybe, I don't know for sure, but maybe it was very deliberate. Maybe it was deliberate. Maybe they made a mistake and not played any background music, or maybe that was deliberate. That every day that they're open, they choose not to play background music because, well, maybe they put more importance on community and connection. It's all about people talking and not distracting them with music, but putting more importance on the communication, the ideas that are being communicated, the thoughts that are being expressed, right? As well as like, and let's say a person goes there and he or she wants to study, right, or read a book or study their textbook, college textbook, right? And so again, it's not about background music. It's like, they're lost in their own little world, and they want them to just focus on the ideas that they're absorbing and thinking about, right? They could be it. Like there's an emphasis on communication. Okay, you checked off background music, food, and drink. What about the core? The name of the restaurant. Every detail is important when creating that unique and positive reputation. Watch this video right here to see how Mokha Coffeehouse brings in customers every day. I'll see you there.